Let's look into question number 2. Excess chlorine reacts with ethanol to give. After what it's reacting to give? After controlled oxidation. After ethanol is subjected to the process of controlled oxidation, what is the product that is being obtained once the oxidized product of ethanol is treated with excess of chlorine? So now let us write the equation. CH3CH2OH is ethanol. It is subjected to the process of controlled oxidation. Now upon controlled oxidation, what will happen? They eliminate a molecule of water and then oxygen takes that place. So we obtain CH3, here 2 is gone, H is there, they take a rearrangement, combines with O, forming CH3CHO, that is acetaldehyde or ethanol. Acetaldehyde or ethanol. Now why we are carrying out this process? Because it's been given as after controlled oxidation. Had this been given as after complete oxidation, then alcohols, primary alcohols upon complete oxidation will yield us carboxylic acid containing the same number of carbon atoms. Now this is subjected to treatment with excess chlorine. So that means all the 3 hydrogen of the methyl group will be replaced by Cl. So therefore it's treated with excess of chlorine. Now what happens? All the 3 hydrogen will be replaced by chlorine and then the remaining will be CHO as it is. So minus what happens? All these 3 H will combine with 3 more Cl, comes out as 3 molecules of HCl. So we are landed up in the formation of trichloroacetaldehyde. Trichloroacetaldehyde. This is what in general we call it as chloral. Chloral is its very popular name, chloral. So which is the correct option? Option D is the correct answer for this question. So the question tells us excess chlorine reacts with ethanol to give. We should write what it gives after subjecting ethanol to the process of controlled oxidation. Therefore our starting material will be ethanol. Upon controlled oxidation gives ethanol or acetaldehyde. This is subject to the process of chlorination with excess of chlorine to obtain trichloroacetaldehyde, which is popularly called chloral. In fact, this is a very important reaction. We are talking about Helmholtz-Zielinski reaction, HBZ reaction from this part onwards.